Subscribe Online Make Money channel is free. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. If you really want to earn money online, you will thanks me later for subscribe and turning on the notification bell.
I'm about to show you exactly what you need to do to make a whopping $30,000 a month using AI. You don't need any fancy skills, experience, huge social media followings, or anything like that. All you need is your computer, internet connection, and the step-by-step tutorial I'm going to break down for you in this video. So, I need you to pay close attention over these next few minutes because you definitely don't want to miss out on these important money-making details. Now, let's dive into the world of AI bots and how they can revolutionize the way you make money online. The first AI tool that we're going to be using in today's video is called Mixo.io. Mixo.io is an AI-powered website builder that makes it easy for anyone to create a website or sales page without any technical knowledge. It uses artificial intelligence to generate custom websites based on the prompts you enter. So, let's say you want to create a sales page for a weight loss product. You would enter a prompt related to that product, such as "lose weight fast with XYZ product." And Mixo will generate a custom site sales page for you based on that prompt. The great thing about Mixo is that you don't need any coding or design skills to use it. You simply enter the prompt and the AI takes care of the rest, creating a professional-looking site sales page that you can use to promote your affiliate offers or sell your own products. To sign up for Mixo.io, simply go to their website and create an account. Once you have signed up, you'll be taken to the dashboard where you can start building your site sales page. It's really that easy. Step 1. Find an affiliate offer from Warrior Plus and grab an affiliate link. Now that we know what Mixo.io is, we can move on to the first step of today's tutorial, which is finding an affiliate offer from Warrior Plus. Finding a suitable affiliate offer from Warrior Plus is an important step in the process of promoting products and earning commissions. Warrior Plus is an affiliate network that offers a wide range of digital products, such as ebooks, courses, software, and so much more. To find an offer that you'd like to promote, you can browse the marketplace on Warrior Plus and filter the results by category, popularity, or other criteria. When browsing the marketplace, take a look at the product description and sales page to get a better understanding of the offer. Make sure to check out the commission rate offered so that it's worth your time and effort. And read reviews and ratings from other affiliates to see if the offer has a good track record of conversions and payouts. It's important to choose an offer that is relevant to your niche and audience, and that you believe will provide value to your followers. Once you have found the offer that you want to promote, you will need to grab your unique affiliate link. This link is provided by Warrior Plus and is used to track your sales and commission. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you will earn a commission on the sale. Grabbing your affiliate link is easy. Simply click on the Promote button next to the offer you want to promote, and Warrior Plus will generate a unique affiliate link for you. You can then copy and paste this link wherever you want to promote the product, such as on your website, social media, or email list. Your affiliate link is unique to you, so make sure to use it whenever you promote the product. This means that you receive credit for any sales that are generated through your link. Step 2. Generate a site sales page on Mixo.io. Creating a site or sales page on Mixo.io is a simple and straightforward process. Once you have signed up, you will be taken to the dashboard where you can start building your sales page. To create a sales page related to your Warrior Plus offer, you will need to enter a prompt related to that offer in the prompt box. The prompt could be a headline or a statement that captures the essence of the product you are promoting. For example, if you're promoting a weight loss product, you might enter a prompt like, "Transform your body with XYZ product." Once you have entered the prompt, Mixo's artificial intelligence takes over and generates a custom sales page for you based on that prompt. The sales page will include all the essential elements such as a headline, product description, images, pricing, and a call to action button. Mixo does all the hard work for you, allowing you to focus on promoting the product and driving traffic to your site. You can even customize your sales page by editing the text, images, and other elements. This allows you to tailor the page to your specific audience and make it more compelling and engaging. Step 3. Drive traffic. Once you have created your site or sales page on Mixo, the next step is to drive traffic to it. This is where the real work begins, but don't worry, there are tools and strategies that can help you make this process easier. We're going to be using ddevy.com. It's an AI-powered tool that can help you generate more traffic to your sales page with ease. With ddevy.com, you don't need to be a marketing expert or spend hours trying to figure out how to get more people to see your page. All you need to do is enter the URL for your Mixo site, and the tool will do the rest. Using advanced AI algorithms, ddevy.com will generate traffic for your page, giving you more exposure and increasing your chances of making sales. The best part? You don't need to do anything else. You can sit back and watch as ddevy.com does the heavy lifting for you. Another amazing way to drive traffic to your Mixo site sales page is by leveraging the power of Facebook groups. With over 2.8 billion monthly active users, Facebook has become one of the most popular social media platforms in the world. By joining relevant groups in your niche, you can tap into a targeted audience that is already interested in the products or services you are promoting. To get started, search for Facebook groups related to your niche. For example, if you're promoting a weight loss product, you might search for groups related to health and fitness. Once you have found some relevant groups, read through the group rules and make sure you understand them before joining. It's also good to take some time to engage with the members. Answer questions, share your knowledge, and provide value wherever you can. This will help you establish yourself as an authority in your niche and build trust with the group members. When the time is right, you can share your Mixo sales page link in the group. Make sure to do so in a non-spammy way and give a compelling reason for people to click on the link. Highlight the benefits of the product or offer you're promoting, and be sure to answer any questions that group members may have. Remember, the key to success with Facebook groups is to focus on building relationships and providing value. Don't just spam the group with your link and expect people to buy from you. Take the time to establish yourself as an authority in your niche, and the sales will come naturally. So, to sum up, remember to start finding a good affiliate offer from Warrior Plus, grabbing your unique affiliate link, and then creating a site or sales page on Mixo by entering a related prompt. Finally, drive traffic to your Mixo site sales page using ddevy.com and Facebook groups. While the potential for passive income with Mixo is certainly exciting, remember that it takes time and effort to succeed in affiliate marketing. Be patient, continue learning, and always be willing to adapt your strategy to stay ahead of the competition. And that wraps up today's tutorial. With Mixo's AI-powered platform, it has never been easier to create a professional-looking page that can help drive sales and earn passive income. What do you think of this method? Let us know in the comment section down below. We love hearing from you guys. And if you found this video useful, then make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel with notifications on for more awesome videos that will help you make money online. See you next time.